Today on Get the Brick, we have an unboxing of a used set from eBay. This is a set that I've wanted ever since I've gotten back into Lego. I followed the advice of Brixie, aka Jordan, and I was able to get this set from AFall Man. Without further ado, let's unbox the set.
Get the brick.
All right, here we go. Instruction booklet. Real important. I appreciate this. So this is what we got right here. We got the detective's office. Of course, this is not the finished look at the set. This is what we're working with. Put this all back together and get back to you guys. That's bag 1 and 2 done. So far, so good. Only missing a few pieces, but luckily, I was able to find my own. Here's bag 3. So we still got a lot more pieces. All right, back to work. Here's the finished product. If you didn't know, it's set 10246, Detective's Office. And I managed to get it with an extra 2 floors actually. Here it is right here. And I also got the bonus florist. Floor I'm thinking about turning into something else. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments below. Thinking maybe a bike shop, maybe a florist shop. I don't know. Let me know in the comments.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.